All right, so today we're gonna talk about how to build your loyalty punch cards, right? So you know those punch cards that people put online, and then they print it off, and then you go and pretty much when you go to the store, they punch it for you. All right. So we wanna go through a process of building your own. All right. So the first things first. So you go to DIYapps.ca. So that's our platform that we want to build this on. You click on build for free. So depending on the business that you are in, obviously you're gonna be a food and drink. And then for any type app of your building, still food and drink. So it just brings you a bunch of examples here that you can start off with. So when you pick any one of these, you click on start. You start an app or something. So you put your name, put the app name, put your name. That's not mandatory. Oh, it is mandatory. They're all mandatory. All right, and then you agree to all the terms. Okay. All right. So once you're done with that, and you start building, it should bring you to this page. All right. So right now, so this is already a restaurant that we are having. You have all your kind of menus on the side menus. This is where you work through the things that you want. So what we want to do is go to the marketplace. And then once you're on the marketplace, you look for punch. So bring punch card. All right. So once you have that punch card, hit on add. So here we'll say punch card. All right. So let's just add it to the side menu for now so that we can easily access it. All right. So we might need to log in. All right. So as you can see, so this is how it looks like. As you can see all these images up here. So when you are doing as a client, when you punch in, so this is your code, your client code. And then this is a different interface from what you'll see as a admin or maybe the coffee shop owner. All right, so let's go quickly on how to set it up. Pretty much it's already set up. It's just out of the box. Just say free coffee, how many times they can retrieve, come and stamp it. So the QR code here, when the owner of the shop has the same app, when they go to the same page, then they will have an option for a QR code. And then that QR code, they can scan this and then it pretty much gives you 1 point there or 1 visit. So when you go to the design, so this is pretty much what you want to do for the background. For the layout, this is pretty much only one option at the moment. And then who approves the reward. So this is where you're gonna select the tag, whichever tag we have for whoever's gonna be approving. So usually we select the business owner. And then security, tagging. So this is when people visit this page, you can have them different behavioral tags. Purchases is in case you want to monetize that page. Analytics gives you analytics, how many people visited and things like that. History, this one will show you the transactions, yes. And then the language, so if you want to just change some languages behind the info's here. So as you can see, the way we added that one punch card, imagine you can do the same if you want to make multiple digital punch cards for different varieties for your store. So you can have that. You have another one. And then the other beauty is we do have the loyalty So the loyalty feature, which helps you if you have more than, if you want to combine a couple purchases to one, so they can also get points and then redeem those points. So it's different from the punch card. All right. So yeah, so I will encourage you, go to the marketplace, look at what features you can be able to use, and be able to pretty much take advantage of them. All right. All right. Cool. We out.